Hi guys, welcome to my channel Karma Varma Readings. Today we'll be discussing daily guidance from your angels from this deck by Doreen Virtue, if I'm right. Yeah. So let's get started. First, we'll see how your future holds. This is for all the signs. Yes. Let's start. Let's start with Aries. Let's see what do Aries need to hear for their current life situation. This is a general guidance. It's timeless and it can be watched anytime. So let's go. Let's go Aries. For Aries, angels, current angel. And luck for Aries. Okay. Aries, I see you working on your career right now with this energy of Seven of Pentacles. You're waiting patiently for things to come to fruition. You've planted the seeds. It's blooming slowly, very slowly. That's why you're in the waiting energy or with the Seven of Pentacles here. Spirit is asking me to keep on putting the patience and uh, every step is towards only progress. Remember this is also a message here. And with the page of wands, you need to be very passionate about whatever you're doing, because that's how you're going to reap benefits and rewards. And I see do some conflict in the work situation if you guys are in a particular company, or like even on a higher level of management. I do see like little conflict and things being spoken about, not in a positive manner. But you have to know that you are nurturing, and you take care of your work very diligently with the Queen of Pentacles. You are very focused on your work, very nurturing towards people around you as well. Beautiful energy. Keep doing that. Do not let that thing affect you. There will be some conflicts, but you need to know that you are in the Queen of Pentacles energy, and you are protected also, is what I'm hearing from those angels and the spirits. Yeah. And with the wow, we've got the King of Pentacles with the bottom of the deck. I just saw it. Some of you could be in a partnership with your spouse or your partner, girlfriend, boyfriend, or a husband wife situation. Your partner supports you in all the aspects of life, and especially this is about you know uh, especially in totality they support you. But right now your reading has come in your work situation, the pentacle way. So your partner supports you whatever you're doing, and it's a very beautiful energy of you both are working on your pentacles, and you both are abundant with the Queen and the King of Pentacles. I'll keep this here. I wanted to show this Queen of King Pentacles. It's a beautiful energy, counterparts, king and queen. Beautiful. Keep the energy, keep supporting your partner, because if you cannot support your partner, then who else will, right? And let's see what do angels need to tell you all with this deck. It's my mom's. It's passed on to me by my mama, and I'm very grateful to her. She's an angel now. She's among the angels, and I want to thank her for showing me my life purpose. Okay, let's see. You should know your life purpose, guys. That's how you'll be happy in life. Okay, let's get started. Angel, guardian angel. One message for. I'll take this out intuitively, I guess. It's a little tricky though. We've got here a beautiful card which says Law of Attraction. Wow. And this angel has like a lot of animals and a lot of fox and wolf and even like a leopard or a mountain puma. If you can see this, it's a very beautiful card. Okay. It reads, each thought is an investment that pays immediate dividends. So invest wisely. You have the power to choose your thoughts and align them with love, peace, and harmony. At your request, we will gladly attune your energies to higher frequencies. So this is a message to always keep your thoughts positive and keep them on a very high vibration, because as you think, you shall receive. So when you are positive about things and you are attracting only and only good, and which is great for you and which is great for your surrounding and your family and your society, you will only attract good is the message here. So choose your thoughts wisely is also the card says the law of attraction. Yeah, that's all I have for you, Aries. Take care, love you all. Let's see what do Taurus need to hear. Let's see what do Taurus need to hear. So we are done with Aries. I had a card here. Yeah, we're done with Aries. Now we'll start with Taurus. Let's see what do Taurus need to know. Angels, guardian angels, or spirit guides. What do Taurus need to know? Just guardian angels, spirit guides. Wow. Okay. So Taurus, welcome. Uh, with the Eight of Wands here, there's this energy of being very indecisive, and I'm also getting this energy of putting everything on a back burner. There's something which needs to be cleared out. It could be like responsibilities, is what I'm hearing. You're putting your responsibilities aside. Don't do that. Keep checking it out like one day at a time. Just keep checking it out, Taurus, because it'll only burden up your stress level and your anxiety and your burdens. With the Ace of Pentacles, yeah, I do see money coming in, lot of abundance. This is purely a work situation. Um it's a work reading. I think I'm going to only do a work reading over here. So yeah, with the Ace of Pentacles, yeah, I do see a lot of abundance coming in, a lot of money. Someone might get promoted. Someone will start a new job. Someone might just open a new company. I even might even win a lottery. Might invest in something really big, a property, shares, investments, deposits. Uh, what else? Like you put investment in a particular business of somebody else, like you can be a shareholder kind of energy, yeah. And that's how you're gonna reap a lot of money, because doing something else and to like increase your income. With the Eight of Swords here, you're still stuck in your head, yeah. Like with the eight, we've got two eights here. Eight could be significant number, and you need to get out of your head, because it's only causing you trouble. With the Queen of Swords, you need to communicate yourself and be very stern about to get things sorted. You need you need to be, because Queen of Swords, Taurus people, and be very stern about things to be like checked out, and just cut everything at a time, like just all your burdens should like cut, done, 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 like that. Three of Pentacles here. You need to you are you're an expert in your work is also what I'm hearing. And with the Queen of Cups, you really love your work. The bottom deck energy of the Queen of Cups, beautiful. If you don't love your work, what will give you else? What will, yeah. I even see someone, you might be into partnership with somebody because we've got a lot of queens and kings. Could be your husband or be like, supporting you, King of Wands. Someone's very passionate about you, or you are very passionate about somebody. Either ways. Yeah. Swords. Yeah. Someone's passionate about you. I think you are in this Queen of Swords, not looking at them. Taurus, you need to see what's left of it. What's gone is gone. Taurus is the message here. And you need to open your heart to them. See, you still have that love left in you because Five of Cups, there are three cups are down, and two are still there, which cannot be seen by the in the traditional tarot with the person standing there. You need to see what is left of the love situation in your life and keep going ahead because nothing can stop you. Life keeps on going. Nothing can stop you. Yeah, that's all I have for you, Taurus. With the playing cards, it's like tarot, right? You're the tarot. I'll see what do angels have for you. Messages for Taurus. You can see this. Let's see what do Taurus need to know. I take this out intuitively, I think. Again, yeah. There's nothing to worry. There's not. So this is a beautiful card. The angel is saying there is nothing to worry about. You can see this. Yeah. Let's read this. There's nothing to worry about. You are safe, and this situation is under the perfect control of divine providence and universal order. Only infuse loving thoughts and emotions into into the situation to ensure that the highest possible outcome flows effortlessly to and through you. Wow, what a beautiful message from the angels. Like the previous one for Aries, you need to how you choose your thoughts and your action with love and with peace and harmony. That's how it comes to you with the law of attraction card we had. This is like it's telling you to like don't worry about anything. Things will unfold. Yeah, with the eight of swords and the responsibilities which you guys had, don't worry about it. Choose only loving thoughts, like everything will be all right. I'll everything will be all right. I'll get this thing sorted. I got this. I'll do it. I know I can do it. So yeah, everything will be all right. And also it's what I use. Everything will be all right. So if you take one step at a time, it'll all get solved. So don't worry, Taurus. Keep doing your good work, and keep checking all those responsibilities which you have, and it'll all be sorted. Let's see what do Gemini's need to know. Angels, guardian angels. What do Gemini's need to know? Wow. Angels, guardian angels. What do Gemini's need to know? Okay. There's some new beginning for you, Gemini, with the Ace of Swords. You just started your new career or a new project, which was a very big start with the Ace of Swords. It was like boom, fireworks kind of energy. New job, new project, new business, something new which was like fireworks, lightning. It was so beautiful that people were staring at it like, a new temple or a new holy place, which is so finely built and so perfectly built with all the curves and the fine work of the artist, right? Something on those lines. Like people were shocked looking at it because it was so beautiful. And with the page of swords, yeah, uh, you're taking everything like, with the page energy, everything slowly and steadily, and it's so new for you. There's a period of healing for you for 4 months. You need to heal something. I need to know what is this. Why is this four of swords here? Maybe some waiting for this project to build. Yeah. There is 4 months of delay. Then you'll get a major ace of wands. After 4 months of, yeah, then you'll get a lot of money. Queen of Pentacles. Yes. There is 4 months of delay for your for things to really bloom, because passion is about blooming, right? That fire. So uh, and fruits and seeds bloom only in summer. Summer is a fire season, right? It brings the sun out. So it is a 4 month of healing. You need to understand that patience is the key to success. um don't worry, just chill. Don't just be in this meditative state of relaxing and let things and only, yeah, in this healing period of 4 months or 4 weeks, you need to know that only positivity should enter your mind and your heart, and only good thoughts should come in your mind, abundant thoughts, positive thoughts, and which is prosperity thoughts, right? And give yourself the unconditional love with the four of swords, because it's a very lonely card if the person is sleeping. And you need to love yourself unconditionally, because no one is there in the card, right? So you need to give that love to yourself because no one else will. Let's see what do angels need to tell you. Angels, guardian angels, what do Gemini need to know? Angels, guardian angels. Change in direction. Yeah. Uh, okay. The card says change in direction, a beautiful card. Yes? Okay. Change in direction. The changes you are experiencing are divinely directed by your newborn willingness to open your heart to love and guidance. You're protected now and in the future. So follow your path to the happy outcomes you desire. Wow, it's a beautiful card. Look at this cute little baby like sitting on his like like a basket, like it's a basket thing with a quilt and everything. And there is angel and a crane. Crane is a symbol of fertility and femininity. So yeah, you've maybe given, yeah, with the ace of swords there is a birth because there's a baby as well. You might have started something new which is was a bang on. Yeah, that's all I have for you, Geminians. Love you all. Take care. Let's see what do Cancerians need to know. We have this Cancer one. नहीं है, वो inside. Hi guys, hi Cancerians, welcome to my channel. Let's see what do we need to know. Angels, guardian angels, what do Cancerians need to know? Angels, guardian angels. Again it came. Angel guide angels, what to cancel. Okay, let's see. Angels, guardian angels. What to angels, what do cancerians need to know? Angels, guardian angels, what do cancerians need to know? Yeah. So cancerians, I see your work situation. You're a master in your work right now, which is beautiful. Keep doing that hard work. Keep building that finesse energy. And with the nine of wands, do see a lot of burden on your way. You're very burdened right now with the work and the maybe you have a lot of work for your finesse. You're very fine at your work and you have a lot of clients and everything. I do see a new beginning. You want to start a new career, and you want to be like the own boss. I usually take this out, but today I forgot. So maybe if it was for you all for to know a message of starting something new, taking a leap of faith in your career, and could be for children or young adults like 13 to 14, 15 above. Something with them. I don't know. For very few, this was a message. Could be related to a school or a college or university. With the King of Swords, yeah, you want to start something new, so go ahead. Seven of Cups. You have a lot of options in your career, which is beautiful. It's great to have options, right? The bottom deck energy of the Seven of Cups, it's telling you to choose what is good and great for you. Let's see what do angels need to tell you all. Angels are guardian angels. Okay, I need to tell you. I'll intuitively pick this out. Joy. So the beautiful card here is name of Joy. Let's see what it says. Joy is the highest energy of all. It is a magical sense that everything is possible. Joy springs from appreciating the gifts within each moment. Joy allows you to attract and create your present and future moments at their highest possible levels. So when you're happy, you attract only good is the message. And look at this beautiful angel sitting on the dolphin. And she's so happy, and even the dolphin is so happy, riding with her and taking her along with the life's flow. So you need to be very happy, and with this Joker energy, look how he's happy with his work. I see you happy too in your work. You need to be happy. If you're not happy, you need to be happy in your work. Do what makes you happy. This new beginning with the King of Swords, you need to know that only start if it's making you very very happy. And yeah, joy is the key for attracting all the good which you want. Yeah, that's all I have for you, Cancerians. Take care. Love you all. Please like, share, subscribe my channel Karma Varma Readings, and stay tuned.